The Mystery of dyatlov Pass. Introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Reyes Noriega. Today I am going to talk about one of the most disturbing unsolved mysteries in history, the dyatlov Pass incident. I chose this mystery because I found it difficult to understand. Yeah, a high experienced hiker could suddenly lie there tent in freezing weather. Two details are especially shocking. The tent was cut from the inside, and some of the yikes were found without enough cloth to survive the extreme cold. Cool. Before I continue, there is one question that remains unanswered. Why did nine experienced Jacques lie there 10 in the middle of the night? The incident happened in February 1959 in the northern Laurel Mountain of Russia. Nine university students and experienced hikers were traveling through the mountains in extremely cold and dangerous conditions. On the night of February 1st, something unexpected happened. The hikers suddenly left their tent, even though they were facing temperatures and strong wind. They left important equipment and work clothes behind. Therefore, it seems that they were not planning to lie mountain. When rescuers found the tent, they discovered that it had been cut from the inside. Later, the bodies were found at different locations around the mountain. Several victims died from hypothermia and also had serious injuries. There were several theories about what happened: an avalanche, extreme weather, a military experiment, or the ivy something unknown. However, none of these theories answered every question about the case. An avalanche could have forced the ice to leave the tent. A strong wind might have created dangerous snow conditions, and the hikers may have believed that staying inside was more dangerous than going outside. Despite the unusual evidence, recent scientific research suggests that a type of snow avalanche could explain part of the incident. However, although this theory is possible, it does not explain every detail. If the hikers had no doubt an avalanche was possible, they might have stayed in safer location. They could have survived if they had remained together and taken their work clothes with them. Conclusion: if a hike to the source, the dyatlov Pass mystery, I will make a complete digital reconstruction of the mountain and the weather conditions. I will use satellite information, historic weather data, forensic evidence, and computer simulation. This could help investigation determine what happened that night. I will also do more research and make a detailed comparison between every city. I would rather test the evidence with modern tools and depend only on speculation. If the mystery were finally solved, we all understand why the Yakers left their tent and what caused their deaths. It would also help us learn how to prevent similar tragedies in extreme environment moments. Despite the many series, the dyatlov incident remains fascinating because we still don't know exactly what happened. Thank you for watching.